that you can install GMS on an existing website, we recommend to create a master website in a specific directory that follows the rules that you can find in our technical document. If you create a website in, for example, a URL that is master.gms2win.com, the location on the disk is, for example, /home/accounts/domains/master/public.html, so that you have a specific directory for each website. This is mainly important for search engine like Google and avoid penalties for duplicate content. So the objective is to have a specific directory for each website. The installation of GMS is very easy. You use the extension manager present in Joomla, and you can install GMS from the same package in Joomla 1.5, 2.5 or 3.0. So this is the same zip, the same package. Once you have selected the package, you upload the package, and when the installation is finished, it will request you to register.
Thank you for your attention.